Welcome to Bit Bank for all bank tests and bank promotion exams. Arihant Fast Track Object to Arithmetic. In this video, I explain the first chapter number system, numerals, face value and place value of the digits in a number, and about types of numbers. These three topics I cover in this video. The first chapter, number system. First of all, what is the number system? Number system is a system in which we study different types of numbers and their relationship. Also, the rules govern in that numbers is called as number system. In Hindu Arabic system, we use the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these symbols are called as digits. So out of these 10 digits, 9 digits and one more 0. Out of these 10 digits, 0 is called an insignificant digit, whereas all other 9 digits are called as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called as significant digits. 0 is the insignificant digit and all other 9 numbers are called as significant digits. And what about numerals? Numerals, a mathematical symbol representing a number in a systematic manner, is called as a numeral, which is represented by a set of digits. A mathematical symbol, it is a symbol representing a number in a systematic manner, is called a numeral represented by a set of digits. So how to write a number? So to write the number, we put digits from right to left at the places. Right to left at the places. And these digits are designated as units, that means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. That means right to left at the places. So let us see how the number is denoted. That number is 30 crores 87 lakh 61,436. Let us see how this number is denoted. So it is read as, see here, first right to left. The first one is units, ones. 6 is 6 units. Next, 3 tens, 4 hundreds, 1,000, 6 10,000s, 7 lakhs, 8 10 lakhs, 0 crores, 3 10 crores. So we are designating these digits from right to left. For example, see here 3, 10 crores place. So after 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. So 10 power 8. 10 crores means 10 power 8. 3. And what about 0? After 0, how many digits are there? 7 digits. So 10 power 7. After 8, 10 power 6. After 7, 10 power 5. After 6, 10 power 4. After 1, 10 power cube. After 4, 10 square. After 3, 10 power 1. And after 6, no number. So 10 power 0. So this is read as 30 crore 87 lakh 61,436. Okay, now face value and place value of the digits in a number. So what is face value and what is place value? What is the difference? Okay, now face value. In a numeral, the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, irrespective of its place in the numeral. Value of the digit is the face value of the digit is the value of the digit itself. For example, in the numeral 4,86,729, What is the face value of 8? 8 only. The face value of 8 is 8 only. And what about the face value of 7? 7 only. The face value of 6 is 6 only. And the face value of 4 is 4 only. And the face value of 9 is 9 only, and so on. So the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, the value of the particular digit itself, irrespective of its place. It may be in tens place or hundreds place or thousands place, crores place, irrespective of its digits place, irrespective of its place, the face value is the value of the digit itself. Okay. Now coming to place value. This place value is also called as, is also known as local value, place value or local value. So in a numeral, the place value of a digit changes according to the change of its place. In case of face value, the value of digit itself. But in case of place value in a numeral, the place value of a digit changes according to the change of its place. Now, look at the following example to get an idea of a place value of digits in 7 crores 28 lakh 43,016. So, from right to left side, already I told you. The right side, the first digit is 6. What is the place value of 6? This is in units place. Units, 6 units. That is place value of 6 is 1, first place. 6 into 1, that is 6. The second one is 1. It is in tens place. Tens 1. Place value of 1 is 1 into 10. That is 10. Next one is 0. The place value of 0 is in hundreds place. The third one. So place value of 0 is equal to 0 into 100. That is 0. The next one is 3. The place value of 3 is thousands place. So place value of 3 is 3 into 1000. That is 3000. Next one is 4. 4 is in 10,000s place. So the place value of 4 is equal to 4 into 10,000. That is 40,000. Now coming to 8. 8 is in lakhs place. So the place value of 8 is equal to 8 into 1 lakh. That is 8 lakhs. The place value, now about 2. 2 is in 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 2 is equal to 2 into 10 lakhs, that is 20 lakh. And finally, the left side, the last number is 7. So 7 is in crores place. So the place value of 7 is equal to 7 into 1 crore, that is 7 crores. Okay. So it is clear, very clear from the above presentation, from the above example, we can easily obtain the place value of a digit in a numeral. So we multiply the digit with the value of its place in the given numeral. So to obtain the place value of a digit in a numeral, let it be 1. To obtain the place value of a digit, that is 1 in a numeral, we multiply that digit 1 with the value of its place. Its place is in tens place with the value of its place, that means tens in the given numeral. 1 into 10, that is 10. Now types of numbers. So coming to types of numbers, the first type is natural numbers. So natural numbers are counting numbers. They are denoted by the first letter n. They are denoted by, natural numbers are denoted by n. For example, n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3. So all natural numbers are positive. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc., minus 1000, etc., they are negative numbers. So all natural numbers are positive. And 0 is not a natural number. So 1 is the smallest natural number. These natural numbers are starting from 1. So 0 is not a natural number. Therefore, which number is the smallest natural number? 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay. Now coming to the second one, whole numbers. So all natural numbers, that means natural numbers are starting from 1 to 3, set of 1 to 3. So all natural numbers and 0 form the set of whole numbers. So whole numbers are denoted by the first letter is W. Whole numbers are denoted by W. For example, W is equal to all natural numbers starting from 1, 1 to 3 and 0. 0 is here. Therefore, whole numbers W is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 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 So which is the smallest whole number? 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. So whole numbers are also called as non-negative integers. First of all, what is meant by integer? Then after it, I will tell. So whole numbers are also called as non-negative integers. All are positive integers. 0 is neither positive or non-negative. No, integers. The third one is integers. Whole numbers, that means starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 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 whole numbers, and negative numbers, that means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, extra 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 negative numbers. So integers means, the third type integers means whole numbers and negative numbers form the set of integers and they are denoted by I. Integers are, the first letter of integers is I, so they are denoted by I. So for example, I is equal to set of extra 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 infinite minus 4 comma minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 1 2 3 4 extra 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 set of. Okay, so integers are of two types. Positive integers. Positive means all natural numbers are called as positive integers. So starting from 1, natural numbers are starting from 1. So all natural numbers 1 2 3 4 extra 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 infinite are called as positive integers. So they are denoted by I plus. For example, positive means plus means positive. I plus positive integer is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 extra 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 infinite. Now coming to the second one is negative integers. What is meant by negative integer? Negative of all natural numbers. So 1 2 3 4 are natural numbers. So negative of all natural numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, extra 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 are called as negative integers. So they are denoted by I negative. Symbol, you see symbol. So for example, I negative is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Now coming to 0, this 0 in between the positive numbers and negative numbers, 0 is there. Positive integers, negative, 0 is 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. 0 is neither positive, it is not a positive number, it is not a negative integer. The next one is fourth one, even numbers. What is meant by even number and what is meant by odd number? So even number means a counting number which is divisible by 2 is called as an even number. A counting number which is divisible by 2 is called as an even number. For example, 2 is divisible by 2 by 2, 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 6 by 2 is 3, 8 by 2 is 4, 10 by 2 is 5, 12 by 2 is 6. So even number is which is divisible by 2 is called as even number. Suppose take 7, is 7 is divisible by 2? No. So 7 is not a even number. So the units place of every even number will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, is it 78 is even number or odd number? Just observe 78. What is the units place to 8? So among them. So if units place of every even number will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The fifth one, odd numbers. So what is an odd number? We told already, even number is a number which is divisible by 2 is called as even number. So just coming to odd number, it is opposite. Number fifth one, odd numbers. A counting number which is not divisible by 2, which is not divisible by 2 is known as an odd number. For example, 1 is not divisible by 2, 3 also, 5, 7, 9, 9 also, 9 by 2 is not possible, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, etc. Extra, extra, extra. So all these numbers are not divisible by 2. So all these numbers are called as odd numbers. In case of odd numbers, the units place of every odd number will be every odd number will be 13579. In case of even numbers, the units place of every, in case of even numbers, the units place of every even number will be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But in case of odd numbers, the units place of every odd number will be 13579 units place. The next one is 61 prime numbers. What is meant by prime number? What is a prime number? And the number system part 2 will be continued in the coming video. And for further more videos, subscribe BitBank for all bank exams and bank promotion tests.